Hey guys, welcome to YouTube. So in this video, I will show you how you can install Kali Linux in your virtual machine or virtual boxes. Okay, so let's get started the video. Start the video. So open your VirtualBox virtual machine. In my case, I'm using Orcale VM VirtualBox, or you can say Orcale virtual machine. Okay, there are certain things you have to do before installing Kali Linux in your virtual machine. So number one is make sure you have enabled virtualization in your BIOS. Okay, if you didn't enabled virtualization in your BIOS, then you can't use virtual machine and even you can't install Kali Linux. So make sure you have enabled virtualization in your BIOS. If you don't know how you enable virtualization in BIOS, you can check out my videos. Link will be in description. Now, second thing, you need Kali Linux ISO file. So make sure you visit Kali Linux official website and download official Kali Linux ISO file from there. If you still don't know how you download Kali Linux file, you can check out my video description. The link will be in description. Sorry, link will be in description. Now let's get started. Let's install Kali Linux in our virtual machine. So open your virtual machine. In my case, I'm using Orcale virtual machine or VirtualBox. Okay. So now after opening this, click on new. Now let's create a virtual machine for Kali Linux. Give it a name. I'm giving this Kali Linux, okay, as a name, Kali Linux. And now choose the type of operating system. So Kali Linux is a Linux based operating system, so I will choose Linux. Now choose the version. I have downloaded 64-bit ISO file, so I will choose here other Linux 64-bit. If you have downloaded 32-bit Kali Linux file, then you will choose Kali Linux 32-bit. In my case, I have downloaded, I think, 64-bit. Okay, so I will use 64-bit here. Okay, after this, click on the next, and now click on OK. Once again, next. Cannot create the Kali Linux machine in the particular folder. This is already existing and possibly belongs to another machine. Okay, there is already this file. So let's give this a different name, Kali Linux 2. Now click on next. Now choose the memory size here. I will recommend you about 5000 MB. Okay, now click on next once again and choose this option, create a virtual hard disk now. Now click on create, and in this case use VDI option, which is VirtualBox disk image. Now once again click on the next and choose the fixed size. If you choose dynamically allocated, then you can extend your memory size after installation, but if you choose fixed size, then after installation you can't extend the memory size, but in fixed size the speed is very fast. Okay, as compared to dynamically allocated. So I will choose fixed size. Now click on the next, and I'll choose the folder where you want to install this. Okay, choose the location. Okay, here from this icon you can choose the location. So this is my location. Okay, I'm installing Kali Linux in D drive. Now in second part there is a memory option. Okay, you can choose the size. Okay, so I will recommend you to choose at least 24 GB or 22 GB to install Kali Linux. This will be perfect. Okay, now click on the create. Now this gonna take some little time, so you have to wait for this. Okay, so now it's created. So let's install Kali Linux now. But before installing, we have to do some settings here. Okay, so choose the Kali Linux option in your virtual machine, and then right click on this and go to the settings. In settings we have to make some changes. Okay, in journal you can change your name. If you have chosen wrong name, you can also change the type and the version of the OS still, if you have done something wrong in early steps. Okay, After this, you can also check advanced option, description, encryption, blah blah blah. But the main option is right now is system. Go to the system. In system, you can change memory size still, okay? And in system, there is lots of option like motherboard, processor, acceleration. So go to the processor option, and in processor, you can allot your virtual machine lots of processor, so it gonna work very fast. Okay, so I will going to allot this 3 processes and make sure this option, which is called extended features, should be enabled. So make sure this option is enabled. If this option is not enabled, then Kali Linux not going to be installed in your computer system. Okay, so make sure this option is enabled. You can go to acceleration and you can check out these options too. Okay, so make sure in processor you have enabled this option, which is called extended features. Enable PAE/NX. Okay, now go to the other option, which is called storage. Go to the storage. Here you can see Linux 2.vdi. Below this there is a empty thing. Okay, click on this empty icon, and this attribute option will be opened here. First option is optical drive. Choose this icon, disk icon. Okay, now here we need to choose our ISO file, so which you have downloaded from official Kali Linux website. Okay, so choose this ISO file. So choose this ISO file, open this. Now this file is selected here. Now everything is set perfectly. Okay, so now just click on the OK and settings will be saved. Click on the OK and settings are saved now. Okay, now you can click on the start option, but before clicking on the start, I will show you all the all the settings. Okay, in general you can see this. In system you can see this, and make sure you recheck all these things basically. And if in your computer system Kali Linux are not getting installed, you can choose my setting. Okay, that's why I'm doing this all stuff. Okay, so now everything is set. Now click on the OK and click on the start now. Choose your Kali Linux 2 and click on the start now. Now the installation process will be start. Now here we can install Kali Linux in various different ways. So the easiest way is graphical installation. So through your keyboard, go to the graphical installation option, graphical install, and click on enter. Now installation going to be started. So let's wait. Now the first option is select your language. So in my case I will choose English. Now select your location. I'm in India, so let's choose India. Now choose your keyboard type, which is American English, and click on continue. Okay, so now it's saying now server name address. Okay, so you can leave this thing blank. Okay, now click on continue, and now we have to choose the host name. So I will choose Kali Linux as my host name. Click continue. Okay, there should not be any space. Okay, so let's choose the host name, which is called Recry. Okay, click on continue, and you can leave this blank. Domain name you can leave blank. Click on continue. Now choose your password. Make sure you remember this. Don't forget the password. In my case, I'm typing easy password, which is root. Okay, now continue. Now here you can choose your disk. So I will choose this option, which is called use entire disk, because I'm using VirtualBox, so I don't need to worry about this. So choose this option, which is called use entire disk, and click on continue and choose this option, continue. and choose this option, which is called all files in one partition. Continue, and now choose finish option. Continue, and I will choose no here. Okay, continue. Okay, you have to choose yes there, so choose yes and then continue. Okay, so now this is the option which is called configure the package manager. So user network mirror, I will choose no right now and then continue. Okay, so now this is a second option. Okay, install the Grub bootloader on a hard disk. Choose yes and then continue. And in after continue, this kind of page will be open. Here, don't choose enter device manually. Choose this option, which is slash dev slash SDA. Okay, choose this option and then continue. Okay, so now installation is completed. So click on the continues, finishing installation. Okay, so now it's installed. Now it's starting. Click choose the Kali Linux option, the first one. It choosing this automatically. If you if you will not choose in particular seconds, then it will choose automatically. Now let's wait. It's booting. Hey, yeah. So let's maximize the size of this screen. Now let's enter in this Kali Linux system. It's very easy to enter on this. First, enter your username. Okay, so if you remembered during installation we didn't choose any username. Okay, we only choose an host name, and the host name is not our username. By default in Kali Linux our username is root, so type root, and our password is root also, so type root as a username. This will be same for everyone. Okay, everyone, the username will be root for everyone, and the password will be which you have chosen during installation. In my case I have chosen root, so type root and then click on the login. Now let's wait. In first use, this will take some time in first use. Okay, and use the default config, and now welcome to Kali Linux. Now we have installed Kali Linux in our virtual machine. It is very easy to install Kali Linux. So in this video, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you still have any question, you can ask me on comment sections. And why my Kali Linux looks very different, because this is a light version of Kali Linux, that's why. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question you can ask me on comment sections, or you can also now join me on Discord and Instagram. Check out the channel about. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, take care.